I'm still a Kraven the Hunter. I'm gonna hunt with a knife. But hunters don't hunt spiders and hulks. True. But too late. Now we do. Ah! Ah! What do you do that for? No! Too late. I'm a great carnivore, so I'm a beast now. Oh, quiet. Don't even do it. Ah! What the heck are you doing? Ah! I'm gonna stop you. Yeah! I'll crush the Hunter Man. I can't get out anymore. Mysterio. Behold, Mysterio! And Mysterio magic around Mysterio, Spider-Man, and Hulk. To be continued.